host Talia, and over the next 12 weeks, these contestants will put their bodies to the test. There might be tears and pain, lots of highs and lows, but it's all a part of getting fit. So let me remind you how this show works. Week after week, these contestants will be working out in the gym. They'll be learning about proper nutrition, and as a team, they'll be competing in challenges. And you know we love that part. What's the incentive for all this pain? Well, the gain at the end of each show, after the weigh-in, will be cash. For each pound lost, $500 will go into their bank account, and for each pound gained, they lose $500. So it's up to them. There are 3 teams. Team Red, led by Master Brian, has Sarah Kay and Andre. Team Blue, last year's winning team, led by Siobhan, has Jade and Kimberly. And replacing Sandy is a familiar face. Audrey takes charge of Team Yellow with Bergerman and Nadine. Let's meet our contestants.
My name is Andre Murphy, aka Fat Man. That's what they call me around here. I'm a jovial type of person. I tend to watch a lot of movies. A nature lover as well, going to countryside for drives and such. I'm always on the go actually, so I don't prepare meals of any sort. I usually buy my food on the road while I'm on the go. Pretty much in a nutshell, I don't do much besides from work and home.
I have 3 boys and Andre eat the most. From he was a baby, eat a lot up until now.
If you want to have the best relationship with him, don't ask him for any of him food. It's a no. We all know it's a no.
I've always been a chubby child growing up. I was told that I actually like bread and butter when I was young. I ate a lot of that. I still like bread now. In school, growing up around here, my mother usually let me run around the house.
Run, you have to run around the house, and he was screaming, help!
When I was younger, in the aim of actually losing weight. Never felt the need to be involved in sports. Never liked PE, so I used to do a lot of debating, Scotland's quiz and all those other stuff. I don't really like to take pictures. I don't like to be in the video light or anything, because when I look, especially even looking in the mirror, as simple as looking in the mirror, I just always feel like I'm fatter. My biggest challenge as it relates to my social life is clothing. The inability to find my size at stores, and I'm telling you, when you walk to different stores, they don't have this particular size. Currently I weigh 270 pounds and aiming to lose around 50 pounds, so I'd be like around 220 pounds.
I think the biggest challenge will be the exercise for him.
I don't have a problem exercising, you know. I actually do like exercising. I think my issue is the discipline, and I think that's where losing it will help me, because I think if I'm operating in a more controlled environment, I'll be better able to achieve the goal of losing weight. What I'm looking forward to the most is losing weight and having fun while doing it. My name is Andre Murphy, aka Fat Man, and I'm losing it.
Andre Murphy.
Hi, Andre. Can you step on with me, please?
Well, when I saw the numbers on the scale, I wasn't too shocked. I know that I weigh the 270 range, but what I was concerned about was that I've actually put on 8 more pounds, because the last time I weighed myself, it was at 270.
Waist? 52. $49.
My name is Sarah Kay Mighty. I am 25 years old. I am a registered dental hygienist. I'm fun loving. I like going out. I like eating out.
She's miserable. She likes to eat. She's lazy. She's very lazy. But other than that, she's a great sister.
I don't cook. So I find myself ordering a lot of pizza. I call them, they know me by her name. They know my order. They haven't heard from me in a while. They messaged me. They emailed me to say You alright? One day I went to the doctor and the nurse weighed me and then she told me the weight. I was like, no, she said, the last time you weighed you were 200 and what? I was like, what? The last time I weighed was 180. And she's like, well, you're very nonchalantly, well, you're 220 now. Makes me overweight and I'm black. Yes, I've been teased. But guess what? So you go. So I've always been a very confident person. So even with the weight gain, I'm still confident. I think that I am a melanin queen. But lately, I feel heavy. I do realize at times that when persons say little things, it annoys me. Like when I go back home on a weekend and go to church and they're like, sorry, you gained so much weight. Like, duh, I have a mirror. Like, we don't need to talk about it. I get annoyed when I try to buy something and then it can't fit. Hence the reason why I hate shopping, because if I like it and them tell me so them not have it in my size, that don't fit. The reason I wrote into losing it, I thought it would be a motivation to have other persons around me who want to lose weight. When other persons are watching your story, it holds you a bit accountable, because you don't want everybody to be watching and then you not lose nothing, so you're going to work harder for it.
I think she'll do well, because now I'm seeing where she's entering different running competitions and all sorts of exercise things. And I think she'll do great because she's determined, and I realize that she's changing her diet.
My biggest challenge is going to be eating right. I will go 3 days eating clean and then boom, eat that. I think being consistent with eating clean, that's going to be my biggest challenge. You can expect that I am going to at least try to do things. You know, a lot of times they give you exercises to do and you just flat out say you can't do it. Half of the time you really can't go do it, but I'm gonna put in the effort. I'm Sarah K and I'm losing it.
Sarah K Mighty.
Hi. Hi.
When I saw my weight, I knew what I weighed before, so it wasn't a shock to me.
47.5. Just relax. Okay. 42.5. Hip muscle is 55.5.
When we get back, we meet the remaining contestants. Losing it, the wait is over. Soon come.